Hey guys, so today we're doing another video on how to make your garland fuller, and this is the side that we're going to be working on. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with a cluster of 6 balloons, and I'm going to place that at the bottom just to start off with. And to that I'm going to add a quad of 4 balloons on the left side, and then on the right side I'm also going to add a quad, but this one is going to have a big 18-inch balloon in it as well. At first I wanted to use this gold cluster to build out the sides some more, but I'm actually going to move it upwards and then continue to build the length of the garland from this gold cluster. And I'm going to go back in with another gold quad of 4 balloons. These are just regular size, and I'm going to add that to the right side. And I'm not just attaching it to the gold cluster but also to the white sand cluster as well. Now I move some things around a little bit, and then I'm adding a pink cluster to continue building the length of the garland, and then I just moved that white sand cluster a little bit more to the front as well. And now I'm going in with one more quad that has a 16-inch balloon in it as well, and I'm tying that to the white sand, and then I'm also going to tie that to the gold as well. But I'm actually going to take it out here in a second because I wanted to put some pink in there. It was just a little bit too much white sand going on. So I'm going to do the same thing, just make a quad of 4 balloons, and one of them is going to be a 16-inch balloon, and then I'm going to add it to the white sand, and I'm also going to connect it to the gold as well. I'm going to show you the finished result here in a second. So that is it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and I hope that helps.